Cut.
Don't make such a close approach against evil times. In the year of 1226 was the closest that we aligned. Alignments between these two planets happens once every 20 years. But kids learn. Look to the night sky to see this event. The joy it'll bring is plenty. Alignments between Jupiter and Saturn are pretty rare, only occurring around once in every 20 years. But this upcoming conjunction's exceptionally rare, only because of how close we planets will appear. It's said the last time this occurred was in medieval times. In the year of 1226 was a